Hi, little stars. Welcome to Starry Beacon's Moonlight Story Time. Come snuggle in, let your body be still, and your breathing be soft and slow. Outside, the forest is dark and twinkly, full of tiny sounds and gentle shadows. Tonight, we will visit a small owl with wide, shining eyes, who is learning how to make the nighttime feel quieter and safe. Close your eyes if you like, and let the soft forest air brush past your cheeks like a feather kiss. Now, let's begin our story. Ollie Owl Turns Down the Night Noise. High in a tall forest tree, little Ollie Owl sat wide awake. The night was full of sounds. Crickets chirped, leaves rustled, and frogs sang by the pond. Owls were supposed to feel calm at night, but Ollie's feathers felt jumpy. "Too many sounds," he whispered. His eyes were tired, but his ears felt busy and buzzy. Ollie hopped to a lower branch to listen. The frogs went, "Ribbit, ribbit," loud and bouncy. "That sound is too big for my sleepy body," Ollie said softly. He fluttered to a side branch. Here he heard faraway crickets. Chirp, chirp, nice and tiny. These crickets feel soft and cozy, he noticed. A gentle glow floated near. It was a wise old moth with slow, soft wings. "Your forest is noisy tonight," the moth hummed. Ollie nodded. "I want to rest, but all the sounds feel too busy." The moth smiled. "Let's turn the night noise down, little owl." Ollie's heart felt a little calmer already. "First," said the moth, "try tucking one wing over your ear." Ollie folded his soft wing, and the frogs sounded smaller. Next, choose a quieter branch. Ollie flew higher where the wind was slow and low. "Now, hum a steady hoot," the moth whispered. Ollie breathed in and hummed. "Hoo, hoo," until his body felt heavy and slow. Ollie listened on his new branch. He picked gentle sounds to hear. Faraway crickets, slow wind in the leaves, and his own quiet hoot. The big bouncy sounds felt farther and smaller. "The forest is like a soft blanket now," Ollie yawned. His eyes drifted closed, and Ollie Owl slept, calm and safe in the night. Now the forest is quiet around Ollie's branch, and the night feels like a soft, sleepy blanket. Your own room can feel that way too, with slow breaths and gentle sounds, wrapped up warm and held in the dark like a hug. Let your ears choose only the softest noises, the ones that help your body feel heavy and calm. As the moon glows quietly above the trees, we will drift even deeper into rest. And now, as the stars listen with you, let's float into our lullaby. Hush-a-hoo, turn down the night.
Hush-a-hoo, turn Crickets go chirp, chirp, busy in the night. Frogs go rabbit by the pale moonlight. Leaves go rustle in the high tree tops. Ollie hears the forest and his heart just hops. Hush-a-hoo, hush-a-hoo, turn the sounds down low. Softer, slower like the nighttime glow. Hush-a-hoo, hush-a-hoo, quiet as can be. Gentle little forest, come and rest with me. Make your chirp softer, chirp, chirp, shh. Make your ribbit tiny, ribbit, whoosh. Make your rustle slow like a sleepy breeze. Turn the night to whispers in the sleepy trees. Hush-a-hoo, hush-a-hoo, turn the sounds down low. Softer, slower like the nighttime glow. Hush-a-hoo, hush-a-hoo, quiet as can be. Gentle little forest, come and rest with me. Tuck one wing over your listening ear. Pick the gentle sounds you like to hear. Hum a low, let your body slow. Feel the busy noises getting small, small.